This is an arrangement for experimental verifications of Ohm's law. Okay, so this is only the symbol or diagrams. This symbol, so this symbol is known as battery or source of electricity, and all these lines are the conductors of wire, metallic conductors. Now when you connect this battery, okay, a current flows from this positive charge terminal. It goes through this K. This is K means this is the switch. You can do on or off. You can connect or disconnect this wire. If you connect this wire, so current will flow through this resistance. This zigzag is called resistance R. Okay, and on these two ends of this resistance we have connected through a wire. There is a machine. This machine is B, or which is called voltmeter. This machine measures, or voltmeter measures the potential difference between these 2 points of this resistance. Okay, and current flows through this resistance and goes towards another machine. This is A. This is called ammeter. Ammeter measures the amount of current, or how much current is flowing through this wire, and finally it will reach through rheostat. This also zigzag. This is also another resistance, or this, which is called variable resistance. We can change the resistance moving this point. Okay, when you go away, so it will increase the length, that will increase the resistance, or it will increase the decrease, or increase or decrease the amount of flow of current. Okay, and finally it will touch this point and it is to the battery. Okay, and we have now complete circuit of current or flow of current. Okay, now to verify or to check the Ohm's law, if you flow amount of current through this arrangement, suppose this is I1, okay, then there will be a volt through this wire which is called V1, or for I1 there will be volt V1. Similarly there will be V2 for I2. Okay, so on and on. You can do many different currents, or increasing or decreasing, you can get the different values of current. So here also you will get different values of volt. Okay, so it will shows here, volt shows here, and amount of current shows on this machine. These are only the symbol. Okay, so suppose you have done V3, you will get amount of current I3. Okay, finally all the values we know that from Ohm's law, V by I, this is called R. Now every time you will get all V1 by I1, or V2 by I2, or V3 by I3, all this will be equal to R. It means now Ohm's law will be satisfied, or this V will be IR. Okay, now you can notice that doing this experiment you will get constant value of R, or we are going to measure the resistance of this wire, or with the help of this Ohm's law or this experiment you can find the amount of resistance, how much the resistance of this wire, or in small change in volt with respect to small change in I, it gives always value of resistance. Okay, or this experiment is applicable to find the resistance, or this del V by del I is known as slope, or this slope gives the resistance.